We're out here at Sierra's Creek. We are actually on, is it Walnut Creek? Walnut Creek. So we took that little split, and there's a couple of really nice sites. All the sites were taken, so we got super lucky that we snagged this one. Got here about 12 o'clock, 12:30, and all the sites were taken on a Friday. So get out here early if you're gonna be camping for the weekend. Super nice area. Our friends are coming, Megan and Andrew. You guys have seen them in some of our other videos. They'll be here in a little bit, and I'll show you our camp setup. All right, Megan and Andrew made it. We got everything set up. I'll show y'all around. So we got 4runner parked up there. Shoot. Mine and Shane's little setup over here. I'll show you, follow this little trail, and the water is super close. There's a little creek right there. Fire, and then Megan and Andrew are testing out a rooftop tent, and they just got the Napa awning. Andrew built this. Pretty sweet setup. So pretty sweet setup. And I'm gonna go down this little trail and show y'all the water. Just a short little walk. There's a really cute creek. Shane kind of came and cleared us out a little area for some chairs right here. And we're on the water. And you can hear it from our campsite. So, tiniest little chance of rain. It did rain for a little bit. So we've been hanging out under Megan and Andrew's little awning. You watched our Huntington Beach when we were under the awning for a long time. All night. It was like supposed to just be a light rain, and it poured all night. But so everything's soaking wet. But we're headed out now on Sierra's Creek Road, hitting some of the trails, and we're gonna go do Holcomb and Ammons Falls. So that's where we're headed. They're packing up. Somebody's gonna get a little spot later. All those down that road were taken, and then we're headed out, and I'll show you in a minute. All of these over here were taken too. In the Jeep, and we're going, what road is this? Do we even know? Just some little split that's gonna take us over to Holcomb and Ammons Falls, I believe. Have the walkie-talkies, which I love, which is so much fun. But now we got to turn around. The roads are closed, so we got to go back out to the main road. Can't go any further. Red, the dog that we rescued, that we found since we're back now on Overflow Creek Road, and headed to the waterfall. She's doing great. I do think somebody dumped her out here because we had her off leash at our campsite all last night and she stayed with us. So I think somebody did dump her, but she's doing good. We're starting the Holcomb Falls and Ammons Falls Trail, 1.8 miles total, and it's at marker 52 off of this road. I think it was off of Overflow Creek Road and then Hale Road. Ate some lunch and we're gonna go cruising up Sarah's Creek all the way to the top. So we're all riding in the Jeep and got some roadies. Little side trail over here. We're gonna go check out the Sarah's Creek waterfall cascade. We'll go see what it looks like.
Oh, we got more.
Oh my goodness. That's where it's at.
Oh, nice. You just got a trout. And this is the little cascade waterfall at Sarah's Creek. Super nice.
So this is at one of the back spots at Sarah's Creek, like right behind one of the, it is the best campsite I think here. Super nice. But apparently there's a couple more cascades. We're gonna hike up and go check it out.
This looks not as bad in a video. It's way worse in real life.
You can ride straight right there, you'll probably be alright. You ain't gonna come up this.
No.
busted my nose on the front of the window holding my head out. And I break my nose out here.
That was weak.